Hello, how are you? Today is Friday, the last day of the week, and we are going to have a natural science session and a social science session, okay? We are finishing natural science unit 6 and social science unit 6. We will finish at the beginning of next week and then we will have the test. We have studied plants. We have studied parts of the plant. We have studied wild plants and cultivated plants. We have studied fruits and vegetables. And today we are going to study the parts of the plant that we eat. Which parts of the plant do we eat? Before we start, we are going to make a quick revision about the parts of the plant. If you look at the diagram, you can see that you have the roots, the stem that holds the plant up, the leaves, remember one is a leaf and two or more are leaves, the fruit, in this case, there are tomatoes, and the flower. These are the parts of the plant. Well, now we are going to go to the book, and we are going to go to page 92. 92. The first thing we are going to do is with our pencil, we are going to write numbers here. So we take the pencil and we write numbers. Why? You will see later. One, two, three, 4, 5. Be careful with the 5. Don't put it the other way around. And 6. So we have 6 things that we are going to read, okay? And we have this girl. This girl is in a place that we call orchard. Orchard, un huerto, we say in Spanish. And in English, it's called an orchard. Okay, let's read this. And we are going to do this activity with the information from here. To the track.
Food can come from different parts of a plant. We eat the seeds of a pea plant.
And now, if you look down, here you have a pea plant. Well, the seeds, because these are really peas. Number 2.
We eat the leaves of lettuce.
Where can you find lettuce? Here. So, and which part do we eat? The leaves. The leaves. These are the seeds. These are the leaves. Let's go. Number 3.
We eat the roots of an onion plant.
An onion? An onion plant? This is a root. We eat the root. The root gets thicker and we eat it. Do you like onions? When I was a child, I didn't like them, but now I like.
We eat the stems of leek.
We eat the stems. You see the roots here? All these here, those are the roots. And we eat the stem. We eat the stem, the white part of leeks, and we eat them in creams or purees or in many different foods.
We eat the flower of cauliflower.
A cauliflower. Why is it called a cauliflower? Because it's the flower of the plant. So in a cauliflower we eat the flower of the plant. And the last one?
We eat the fruit of a courgette plant.
We eat the fruit of a courgette plant. This, nobody says courgette because that's a French word. Everybody says zucchini or squash. Zucchini or squash. That's the typical word, okay? So now it's very easy. Now, according to what we read, we have to write. If we eat the seeds, we put number 1. If we eat the leaves, we write number 2. If we eat the roots, we write number 3. If we eat the stems, we write number 4. If we eat the flower, we write number 5. And if we eat the fruit, we write number 6. Okay, pause the video, you do it, and then I'll show you the correction. But you do it on your own, don't do it with me, okay? Pause the video. And this is the correction. Number 1, the seeds are the peas. Number 2, the leaves, the lettuce. Number 3, the roots, the onion. Number 4, the stem, the leeks. Number 5, the flower, the cauliflower. And number 6, the fruit, the zucchini or squash or courgette. Whatever you want to call it, it will be fine. Okay, and this is the end of activity 1. Let's go to activity 2. In activity 2, we had to put the stickers, but as we don't have the stickers, we are going to write an example. So with your pencil, we are going to write an example. The examples that we have, I've got them here. We have the following words. We have rice, spinach, potato, asparagus, and tomato. Which one do you think is each one? I'm going to tell you again. We have spinach. What do you think is the spinach? Well done, the leaf. So we write it here. We don't have enough space, so we begin here. Spinach. The second one I'm going to tell you is rice. Rice. What do you think is rice? A seed, a leaf, a root, a stem, or a fruit? Well done. Rice is a seed. A seed. So we write it here. Another one that we have in the book is tomato or tomato. You know you can say both ways. Tomato, tomato. What do you think that is? Is it a root, a stem, or a fruit? Well done, it's a fruit. And we have 2 more. I'm going to tell them so that you start thinking. We have a potato and we have asparagus. Potato, potato, and asparagus. Which one do you think is the root and which one do you think is the stem? Yes, the potato is the root and the asparagus is the stem. Let's write it. And we have finished page 92. Let's go to page 93. Page 93, as you can see, is a chart. It's a chart. And it's very easy because we just have to tick which type of plant it is, if it's a grass, a bush, and if it gives us food or if it gives us cosmetics, or if it gives us fibers for making clothes. So these are the things. Let's go with the chart and we do it together. Here we have a table and it says tick to complete the table. Tick to complete the table. So we only have to tick the correct boxes. Only the correct boxes. What type of plant is wheat? Is it a grass, a bush, or a tree? Well, I tell you, it's a grass. What does it give us? It gives us, remember yesterday we saw pasta? Pasta, that is food. Let's go with the second one. Lavender. What is it? A grass, a bush, or a tree? Lavender is another grass. And it gives us cosmetics, soap and perfume and many things. A rose. A rose is a bush, un arbusto. So we go to the second one and it gives us food, cosmetics, or clothes. You know, cosmetics, it gives us perfume and soaps and moisturizing lotion, and it gives us many things with a very pleasant perfume. And an orange. An orange is a tree, an orange tree. So we have put the tick in the third one. And what does it give us? Food, cosmetics, or clothes? It gives us food and it also gives us cosmetics. There are many creams and cosmetics made of orange. Cotton. Cotton is a bush. It's not a grass, it's a bush. And it gives us, the second one, it gives us food, cosmetics, or clothes. Well, this is made of cotton. This t-shirt is made of cotton. If you see the label here, it says made of cotton. So it gives us clothes. Clothes is the last one. And then olive. Olive gives a lot of things. Olive is a tree. It's a tree. So we have to go to the third column. It's a tree. And it gives us food and cosmetics. Food and cosmetics. I'm going to show you two cosmetics that are made of olive. These two cosmetics that I have here are made of olives. I'm going to show you a little bit closer. You see the olive here and the olives here. This is a perfume and it's made of olive. And this is it says relaxing bath and shower gel. Well, and this is the end of page 93. This is the end of our session for Friday. I'll see you on Monday. Have a fantastic weekend. Bye bye. I love you.